Here's how I went from taking a tax course to landing a remote job with Intuit Turbo Tax. Hey, future tax professionals. Welcome to part one of how I got hired by Intuit Turbo Tax. I started by enrolling in the tax specialist course through Intuit Academy, where you had to complete modules and watch videos. The videos were optional if you already had experience with preparing live tax returns. They give you the option to just skip ahead to take the exams. But before I get into the meat and potatoes of how I got hired, hit the like and subscribe button and share this video with someone that is on the same journey with you. So, there are two parts to completing the tax specialist course on Intuit Academy. The first part of the course consists of learning material that you must complete in order to get the certification for the course. You will be given an exam that you must pass. I believe you have to get at least 70%. Please don't hold me to it. It's been a long while. The last step is the tax forms preparation part, where you have to fill out tax forms based on the client's information that is provided. You have to read the scenario and then fill out each line of the form that is applicable. Intuit also offers a class where you meet with the professionals. For 6 weeks, I attended weekly live sessions on Zoom video communications with instructors who helped break everything down. After completing the course, I didn't wait. I reached out to a recruiter. Before I get into the process of how that went, I want to share how wonderful a company Intuit really is. The course is intense with information, but it's not burdensome or stressful. It's so easy to understand. And the best part about completing the course with Intuit Academy is that once you complete the course, it automatically gives you 2 years of experience with filing tax returns just by completing the tax return practice exams. So it's giving you 2 years of experience within weeks of learning and practicing. Now, let's talk about the interview process. My first step was a phone interview, then a virtual interview through HireVue. So once I completed the course by the due date, I reached out to the recruiter through Intuit Academy. After a day or two later, I received an email from the recruiter to set up a date and time for a phone interview. During this phone interview, the recruiter may ask you about 10 to 12 questions, basically about the state you live in, your work history, and they will explain that it is a remote position and also how the work hours can and should fit into your schedule. Then they explain the next step in the hiring process, which is the live video interview with HireVue. Before your initial interview with HireVue, you want to make sure you have a clean background with good lighting and professional attire. During a HireVue interview, you would be asked to answer the questions within 20 to 30 seconds. And I believe it's anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour long, the entire interview process. I really don't remember the exact time frame. Once you've done completing the interview, your recruiter will reach out to you and let you know how your interview went with HireVue. I received a call from the recruiter that following Tuesday. I did the interview on a Saturday morning at like 6 a.m., and I received a call from the recruiter the following Tuesday morning. She explained that the HireVue interview went well and that she would update me on the next steps. And that's when I got accepted to join Intuit. In the next video, I will talk about the waiting process, so you don't want to miss that. See you in the next video.